like I mentioned in my email, in addition to posting that you're looking to find a home for your dog, you can also search Craigslist for people who've posted that they're looking to obtain a French Bulldog. You can go into Craigslist and search individually, city by city by city, but there is a website called SearchTempest, and it's SearchTempest.com. That'll let you do a search in one place that will search all of those Craigslists. So it's SearchTempest.com. Under the what we want to search for, you can get a little crafty with the search. So if we do quotes, French Bulldog quotes, so that's going to search for the phrase French Bulldog. And then we'll put a left parentheses, and we'll do, say, wanted, and then this symbol, which on my keyboard is beneath my backspace key. The phrase, say, in search of, and then a pipe again, and say ISO, which is another way of saying in search of, and maybe the phrase looking for. So that's going to search for the phrase French Bulldog, and at the same time, it's going to search for wanted, or in search of, or ISO, or looking for. For the category, you can leave it as all sale wanted. The zip code, you can put in a desired zip code. I'm just going to guess. I'm just going to put for Albany. You can choose your distance. Let's just say 200 miles. Click search. And now here, as far as these results, results mode, direct is a good choice. It might do area by default, but doing it by, say, city might be an easier way to do it. And then if I go to Albany, it's going to run that Craigslist search in the Albany Craigslist. I can see it's doing the search here. So in this case, there were no results. We'll close that tab. Let's say Catskills. It didn't find any results, so we'll close that tab. Now, I ran the search already, so I have an idea of where it found results. If we go down to Long Island, say, here we go, got a handful of results. French Bulldog wanted, and then you can see what this guy wrote. Now, granted, this person's looking to spend $500. You were looking for $2,000 for a rehoming fee. So that'll be something you'll have to just kind of figure out as you go through these. And something to point out, for example, it did get French Bulldog mix. This is someone who's selling, but it found the phrase French Bulldog and the phrase looking for. So it's definitely possible to get some results that you don't want mixed in with the ones that you do want. And if we go back here and scroll to the top, we're in the for sale category now, but you could drop down and make this search the community and search, say, you could choose pets or leave it as all community. And we leave these options the same. Click search. And then in here, let's see, Albany, there was none. Let's try Long Island again. Yeah. So on Long Island, there were some results. And that's it. There's definitely some people out there looking to get French Bulldogs. I don't necessarily know how close they are to you, but hopefully this was helpful.